Today we will share with you how to correctly take polyacrylamide, sewage and sludge samples. Firstly, introduce some wrong way to take polyacrylamide sample. First, do not take agglomerated polyacrylamide samples. Second, do not take wet polyacrylamide samples. You can see that the wet polyacrylamide is like cotton, which is unusable. We should take a dried polyacrylamide sample. Third, the sampling volume cannot be too small. Small quantity will also directly affect the selection results. Note: after taking the sample, the sealing bag should be sealed in time. Let me show you the correct sampling way. We need to take from the middle of the polyacrylamide bag. The sample quantity should be over 200 grams and sealed and packed, so we can scale selection. The above are the wrong and right examples of polyacrylamide sampling. Next, we will talk about taking sewage samples. Sewage samples cannot be taken from the original water pool. The wastewater from the process before adding polyacrylamide glue should be taken. We can see that the white water pipe is used for adding polyacrylamide. The sewage in this pool was which polyacrylamide added, so we can take sewage from this pool. To take the sewage from the pool in the last process that before adding polyacrylamide, that is, polyaluminum chloride has been added but polyacrylamide has not been added. The amount of sewage must be more than 5 liters. The collected sewage needs to be sent out as soon as possible to avoid long storage time that may affect the selection effect, so we can select model more precisely. The above are the precautions and the correct demonstrations for sewage sampling. Finally, we'll talk about taking sludge samples. This is a sludge filter press. This white pipe is used for adding polyacrylamide. The sludge sampling should be taken from the sludge before polyacrylamide added. It can be seen that the sludge is not flocculated and medicated. The sludge volume also needs to be more than 5 liters. Then send it to our Shouxin Environmental Protection company, so we can scale selection. The above are the precautions and the correct demonstrations for sludge sampling. Shouxin Environmental Protection is the founder of global polyacrylamide brand with stable quality, RD and supervision, quality more stable, scale selection, model selection more precise.